What steps do I need to take to transfer my SIM card to a new phone?
Hello viewers. Today, we are going to learn how to transfer your SIM card from your old phone to a new one. This is a simple process and you can do it yourself without having to visit a service center. So let's get started.
Check your phone's SIM card size.
Before you begin, it's important to check whether your new phone uses the same SIM card size as your old one. Nowadays, most phones use either nano SIM or micro SIM cards. If the SIM sizes do not match, you might need an adapter or you may need to contact your carrier for a new SIM card.
Safely remove the SIM card from your old phone.
Turn off your old phone before removing the SIM card to avoid data loss. Use a SIM card ejector tool or a small paper clip to open the SIM card tray. Be careful not to damage the SIM card or the tray.
Insert the SIM card into your new phone.
Just like with the old phone, turn off your new phone before inserting the SIM card. Use the same tool to open the SIM card tray in your new phone. Place the SIM card into the tray, making sure it aligns with the diagram shown. Push the tray back into the phone.
Set up your new phone.
Turn on your new phone. The phone will detect the SIM card automatically and go through the usual startup process. You may need to enter your PIN if you have one on your SIM.
Contact your carrier if necessary.
If your new phone does not recognize the SIM card, or if you're having trouble getting service, contact your carrier for assistance. They can help troubleshoot the issue and, if necessary, provide a new SIM card. That's it. You've successfully transferred your SIM card to a new phone. Thank you for watching, and remember, always handle your SIM card with care to prevent any damage. Hope this video has been helpful and you're enjoying your new phone. Catch you in the next one.